Good morning, y'all. It's Tab, and I'm on my way to work. Yes, I am. And the Lord just showed me something. So I was driving, and for some reason, I just focused on the lines on the road, okay? And I just thought, what if there were no lines to guide us on the road? How would we drive? And when I was thinking about this, I was in a three-lane street. So I was just thinking, how would we drive? How would we maneuver? What would it look like if there were no lines on the road to guide us? So I thought about it, and I feel like the lines represent God's word in the Bible and what he says. You know, if we did not have so lines on the road, they guide you. They give you a sense of direction. They give you a visual of who should be where and how far you should go over or shouldn't go over, how far you can go and shouldn't go until you wreck, you know. And I feel like that's what God's word does in the Bible. So, and God's word does just that. It gives you a visual. It gives you a sense of direction of where you should go. And God gives us boundaries that we shouldn't, you know, get out of. And it's all for our safety, and it's all for our safety and for our, he has us in his best interest, and that's what lines on the road do for us. They have us in our best interest, and it's not to hurt us, but to help us. And that's who God is. He does everything to help us. So just think of God's word like lines on the road. How she get in there? Or she?